In this question, we are given a pair of linear equations, and we are also given that this pair of linear equations has infinite many solutions, and we are to find the values of a and b. Let us consider a general form of pair of equations. So general form is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. It is the first equation of general form of pair of equations. The second equation is a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. On comparing this general form of pair of linear equations with given linear equations, we will find that value of a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, and c1 is equal to 7. a2 is a plus b, b2 is 2a minus b, and c2 is 21. Now, if this general form of pair of linear equations has infinite many solutions, then there must be a condition, that is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Applying this condition on the given pair of linear equations which has infinite many solutions, we can say that 2 upon a plus b must be equal to 3 upon 2a minus b must be equal to 7 upon 21. 7 upon 21, it can be written as 1 by 3. Now, we can define these equalities in terms of three situations. First situation, we will compare first two parts. The first part is 2 upon a plus b, that is equal to second part, it is 3 upon 2a minus b. In the second situation, we will compare second part and third part. So 3 upon 2a minus b is equal to 7 upon 21, which is nothing but 1 by 3. And in third situation, we will compare first part 2 upon a plus b is equal to 1 upon 3. Now let us consider all situations one by one. In the first situation, after cross multiplying, you will get twice of 2a minus b is equal to thrice of a plus b. Okay, so it can be rewritten as 4a minus 2b is equal to 3a plus 3b. Now we can transpose the terms, 3a to the left hand side and minus 2b to the right hand side. So we will get 4a minus 3a is equal to 3b plus 2b. 4a minus 3a is a and 3b plus 2b is 5b. So according to the first situation, we will get a is equal to 5b, 5 times of b. Now let us consider second situation. Second situation, after cross multiplying, we will get 3 3s are 9 is equal to 1 multiplied by 2a minus b, it is 2a minus b itself. Okay, so we can say that 2a minus b is equal to 9. We can save this result. Now third situation, so according to the third situation, we will have 3 2 6 is equal to a plus b. So according to the second situation and third situation, we have linear equations in two variables. Here two variables are a and b. So according to the third situation, we can say that a is equal to 6 minus b. So value of a in term of b is 6 minus b. So we can substitute this value of a here. After substitution, we will get twice of a. Twice of a, according to the second situation, twice of a minus b is equal to 9. So value of a is substituted as 6 minus b. So after solving this equation, it is 12 minus 2b minus b is equal to 9. So it is 12 minus 3b is equal to 9. We can transpose 9 to the left hand side and 3b to the right hand side. We will get 12 minus 9 is equal to 3b. Further, it is 12 minus 9 is 3. So 3 is equal to 3b, and we will get b is equal to 3 divided by 3, that is 1. So value of b is equal to 1. Now value of b, which is equal to 1, it can be further substituted to any of these two equations. So after substituting value of b is equal to 1 here, we will get a is equal to 6 minus b, which is 1. So a is equal to 6 minus 1, that is 5. So value of a is equal to 5. So according to the second situation and third situation, simultaneously, we found that a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. So a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. It can be verified in the first situation. In the first situation, we found that a must be equal to 5b. So we can substitute values of a and b here simultaneously in the first equation, in the first situation. So a is equal to 5. So it is 5. Left hand side is 5 is equal to 5 times of b, that is 1. We see that 5 is equal to 5. It is a true relationship. So we can say that value of a and b are verified in the first situation. So finally we can say that the system of linear equations, this pair of linear equations, has infinite many solutions when a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1.